I want to send my best wishes to everyone in Britain and around the world marking Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. These high holy days give us a chance to look back and to look forward. To look back at the immense contribution that Jews make in Britain, excelling in every field, contributing in every community, and living by those values of decency, tolerance, hard work and responsibility that are so central to the Jewish faith and to British life. And they give us a chance to look forward to a future free from conflict and prejudice. That means a lasting peace in the Middle East, a future where families don't live in fear of rocket attacks, and it means wiping out prejudice in this country, because we will not tolerate anti-Semitism in Britain. No disagreements on politics or policy can ever justify racism or extremism in any form. As long as I'm Prime Minister, we will do everything we can to tackle this and to ensure we learn the lessons of the past, as the Holocaust Commission, led by Mick Davis, is doing so effectively. Around the world, Britain stands for diversity and cohesiveness. When mosques came under attack, who helped defend them? British Jews. When a synagogue was under threat from closure, who helped save it? British Muslims. This says a lot about who we are in this country, and it's something we can celebrate and build upon. So as we look back and look ahead, let me wish everyone a Happy New Year. Gmar Tov and Shana Tova.